stop, cry, cry. Even my smile looks so horribly vile. Just like yucky puky, yellow bile. Boo, 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 boo. Froggy says I cannot teach anymore. That growing up is serious business and can be only taught by a serious boy. Detention.
Like Mr. Mystery.
But that's not true. Not true. Not true. I'm Dr. Cuckoo the Clown! Yeah! So against overall me, Froggy has planned a revolution.
A revolution. A revolution.
Unless
what?
Whoa! Unless I answer every one of your questions.
Unless he answers every one of your questions.
Then once again will I be your hero. Of the
Growing up book. Growing up book.
So, do you think you are bold enough to sneak a look? Sneak a look.
Don't cry. It's all right. Please, we will help you.
What a weird clown.
Hey, I'm not weird. I'm Dr. Cuckoo. Hi.
Pleased to meet you.
Hi.
Oh, will you stop talking us? If we ask you the questions from the book.
Maybe.
Romeo, I think this is a dream and we need to wake up.
Okay, let's see who starts. Me.
I decide that. Eeny, meeny, whatever. Meeny, your turn.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Don't call me Mimi in front of girls. Anyway, how do you know my name?
Google and me, buddies.
Oh. But the pages are blank.
Really?
Whoa! The human reproductive system. Was Mr. Mystery not mentioning it? Yeah, we could not understand. He was mumbling, na?
Boys, can you just ask him the question so that I can wake up and get out of this dream? Vivi, please ask him a question or I will.
So cute.
What cute? What's gotten into you? And you, calm down.
Okay, I'll ask the question. What is menstruation? Who and what does it affect?
Hail, hail, hail the human body. Sing with me. Hail the human body. Hail the human body. Menstruation. Don't confuse it with punctuation. Menses, period, tones, are some of it unnamed. It's something that affects
Only the days.
a sign that our reproductive organs are ready for production. Too young for reproduction. Hear the human body,
Normal.
hear the human body,
Normal.
hear the human body,
Normal.
hear the human body.
Normal.
But Dr. Cuckoo.
Yes, to answer your question, Nikhil, boys do not get periods. And Isha, That is why you were experiencing mood swings.
I know, Sonia's daddy told me already. Why did he stop? This is so cool.
Isha, ask him a question quick so that he unfreezes.
Yeah, but which question? What happens in puberty, Dr. Cuckoo?
Arriba! Voice cracking, pimples, mood. Oh, body odor! Gee. Mood swings like a roller coaster. The terrible twins. Arriba! It's tough growing up for him and for her. Arriba!
Who's ready to grow up?
We are!
Attack!
Crushes growing taller, erections and breasts.
My body is changing too, Isha. I'm growing breasts. That's why mommy told me to wear a trainer bra and not a vest. That means this is all normal.
Normal? Listening to you, my ears are burning. Ouch!
Can someone just ask him a question or he will remain like that forever?
So cute.
What cute?
Spit out the question, silly.
What is this?
Erection and direction. Say what?
Thank you for using your voice, boys. It's a question about the male anatomy. Good choice.
Mr. Mystery was trying to teach us the same, I think.
Oh, correct. But now, let's not divert from the are you normal link.
Hi.
क्या रहा बहुत बढ़िया प्लान है नहीं हम यहीं
So the boy's anatomy has a penis
क्या बात है?
and testicles.
and testicles which hides the scrotum.
And the cells in the testicles which I like to call
Sperm.
And the sperms.
From the fetus comes the feces and the sperm. It's all two in one, two in one, two in one, two in one, one, two in one, one, two in one, one, two in one, one.
when the penis feels like it's going up and down and round and round and gets hard or stands upright.
It can happen any time of the day, also at night. It's called an up. It's normal. Don't bite it. Froggy, I've started to answer their questions, and you can't do anything about it. Thank you, kids, for helping me answer their questions. And now see, the clown, me, I'm back on the growing up book. And the pages are also starting to fill with information. Kids, you're normal. Good night. They are normal. They are normal. One, two, three. Spit out. Puberty. Now will you sing with me? Puberty. It makes you shout. It makes you cry. Come on, Puberty. It makes you shout, it makes you cry. Louder, Puberty. B-U-B-E-R-T-Y. It makes you shout, it makes you cry. Yay! Okay, now let's take a sneak into the gang's world. Cuckoo the Clown is back on the cover of the book, right? Now, the gang has yet an adventure to solve. The case of the missing dog is yet to be resolved. Where is Molly? Molly! 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 Kids! I have a private matter to tend to. I'll be back in a minute. Please don't be mischievous.
Okay, Mr. Mistry. Has Mr. Mistry gone? Go check. Okay.
Has he gone?
Mr. Mistry has gone to potty. You know, you both were in my dream last night.
Yeah, and you and Vivi were also in our dream last night. And we learned so much about the human reproductive system, right?
Nah, Vivi. What happened?
You know, the clown on the cover of my book is back.
Mine too.
Sia, I'm getting goosebumps. We all had the same dream. Are we stuck in some horror film called Puberty?
Yeah. Now stop saying scary things.
Your voice sounds so funny, like gas from a helium balloon.
It's puberty.
Oh, baby's finally growing up. नजर ना लगे मेरे भैया को. नजर ना लगे मेरे भैया को.
Stop it. I'm not your bhaiya, okay? You stupid.
Puberty. P-U-B-E-R-T-Y. P-U-B-E-R-T-Y. It makes you shout, it makes you cry. Pimples and body parts that suddenly grow. Food body jump from high to low.
Boys say they don't like girls.
Girls do the same. You say, will you be my Valentine?
I say please don't be lame.
P-U-B-E-R-T-Y. It really makes you shout, it really makes you cry.
Oh. Evie, what happened? Just being silly, yeah.
Sorry, Vivi. We were just joking. What happened?
Nikhil, Molly is still missing. I'm sure I heard her howling last night. I know she's not dead. She must be somewhere near the building. I'm sure.
Guys, we must all go and look for Molly. But then what about detention?
It's dangerous. We can't leave school. And Mr. Mystery can come to check on us anytime.
Evie lives so nearby. We can walk to his building.
I live in the same building and I don't think it's a good idea.
Don't worry, Vivi. We'll all get together and make sure we find Molly. Okay? Yeah. Let's go, Isha.
Yeah, baby. Don't cry. I'm sure we can find our way home. And then we'll ask Raju the liftman to help us, okay?
But what about Sir?
Listen, guys. The door is open. Let's do this for Molly. We'll do detention together if we get caught. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Vivi?
Okay, let's find Molly.
Yes! Let's go.
Yeah.
So guys, technically Mr. Mistry takes 7 minutes and 30 seconds to 40. But it's only 1 minute left. So hurry up, guys.
I hear a lot of noise. What mischief are you up to? I'm coming back in a minute.
Okay, Mr. Mystery. Run, run, run!
I don't know. Vivi and I go home by car every day. On the streets, I've lost sense of direction.
These cars are moving so fast. Let's cross quick.
हमने नहीं देखा, पर फिर भी हमारे पास एक गोल्डन डॉगी है। कहिए तो दे दे रिबेट, दे दे रिबेट।
Dr. Cuckoo! Hi kids! You know, the clown on the cover of my book is back.
Mine too.
But half the pages are still blank. Why?
That's because you kids have not yet learned about okay touch and not okay touch. Wait, I'll explain. Kids, that there is a stranger touching Isha. That's a not okay touch. What is it?
Not okay touch.
What is it?
Not okay touch.
Good.
Thank you, Dr. Cuckoo. Thank you. आप हाथ मत लगाइए. Not okay touch.
अरे हम कहाँ हाथ लगा रहे, हम तो बस मुन्नी को प्यार कर रहे थे, है ना मुन्नी? रिबेट।
अरे no touching.
चुप रह।
No touching! No touching!
ए डॉक्टर कुकू,
हाँ.
ये सारी अच्छी बातें तुमने बताई है ना बच्चों को? रिबेट।
Ow.
अरे रिबेट।
अरे हाथ.
No touching. No touching.
अरे पागल बच्चे, हम तो अपना काम कर रहे थे। रिबेट।
आप पागल हो!
Bye kids.
Thank you, Dr. Cuckoo.
Thank you, Nikhil. That was really brave.
You're welcome.
Isha, you must never let any stranger touch you like that again.
Yeah. From now on, guys, this whistle will be a signal for danger, okay?
What kind of danger?
Danger from strangers, from fast cars to
Get out!
rope rangers.
Stick together, we must.
This whistle is a sign of trust.
Don't blow it just for fun.
If you hear it, you must
Run, run, run! Hey, Vivi, isn't that your building Woodstock?
Yeah, looks like it.
Looks far.
No, we can make it. Let's go.
Hey! What you buggers doing alone on the road, man? Huh? Whoopies with you?
Whoopies?
Huh? Mother, father, brother, whoopies? Ah, you rascals are bunking.
No, ma'am, no bunking. Detention. And we are not alone. We have each other, no gang.
Yes. Actually, miss, we are going to Vivan's house to look for his missing dog.
It is so nice of you to look for missing doggy, but it is not safe for you alone on the road. You come with me, I'll take you. Where is my Tony the driver?
Should we take a lift from her?
No.
Dr. Cuckoo!
Yes. Kids, now she might be a great lady. That might be an okay touch. But kids, taking lifts from strangers, bad idea. Stranger, danger. Stranger,
Danger!
stranger.
Danger!
Bye.
Thank you, Dr. Cuckoo.
I am not getting into a car. Have you seen how fat her bums are? I won't let her in the car. I'm not getting in.
Yeah. Stranger, danger!
Hey, I'm a stranger, man. My little Rosie is in your school with me.
Rosie?
Second standard St. Mary's School.
Yeah.
Ah, you don't worry, man. You come with me.
What if she's lying?
Yes, she might be lying.
Oh no.
Run, run, run! Hey, go carefully.
Run, run, run. Bye, Big Mom Auntie.
Smart children, they know they're not supposed to go with stranger, man. Where's that Tony, that bugger is keep
Go with Isha by the stairs and ask the neighbors if they have seen Molly. You go take the lift. What? Oh! And keep the bags too. Yeah.
Fine.
Come, Isha.
Come, Isha.
Stop it!
Auntie!
आंटी आपने बीवी के डॉगी को देखा है?
नहीं देखा।
देखा हूँ पहली बार साजन की आँखों में। अरे बच्चा पार्टी आओ आओ अंदर आओ कौन संभाला जाओ
जी हाँ, बीवी मतलब विवान की दोस्त है. उसके डॉगी को ढूंढ रहे हैं. आपने उसे देखा है?
वो विवाह वो चोपड़ा साहब का बेटा तुम्हारा दोस्त वो 8 माले पे जो 6 माले पे रहता ना जो अच्छा देखो डागी को तो हम लोग देखे नहीं हो लेकिन कुछ आवाज सुनी थी
Molly का आवाज.
हाँ वो 8 माले पे से ऐसा कुछ रोने का आवाज जैसा तो आया था आप चलो हम लेके जाता हूँ आपको
No one has seen or heard Molly on any of these floors.
Don't worry, baby. We will find her. Hey, but where is the lift wala team? We took the stairs and we reached the 6th floor before them. How?
I don't know. Wait. अंकल अंकल आपने मेरी डॉगी को देखा है?
नहीं देखा बेटा,
अंकल आपने हमारे फ्रेंड्स को देखा है?
नहीं बेटा।
बहुत स्लो है आपका लिफ्ट।
अभी तो लिफ्ट है सर, इसमें कहाँ स्लो और कहाँ फास्ट। पहले हम रिक्शा चलाता था, एकदम सुपर फास्ट। ये देखो आ गए 8 माला। बाबा एक काम करो, तुम हमारे साथ रुको और बेबी को देखने दो कि डॉगी है क्या, है कि नहीं?
हाँ मैं
नहीं 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 नहीं, बेबी क्यों जाएगी, मैं जाऊंगा।
हाँ, बड़ा होशियार है बेटा। ठीक है।
Okay, Sonia, you stay here and keep this whistle with you. You know now what to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come soon, huh?
Yeah. और आप इधर ही रुकना, मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ।
जी
ठीक है?
जी बाबा।
मॉली, 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 मॉली।
क्या क्या कर रहे हो? निखिल तो वहीं पर रह गया ना? मुझे कहाँ ले जा रहे?
अरे बैठती का है हो बेबी, हम आपको 10 माला लेके जा रहा हूँ। हम अभी सुना कुत्ते का भौंकना। हाँ।
पर निखिल तो वहीं रह गया ना?
देखो बाबा तो गया है ना डॉगी को ढूंढने के लिए। अब आप हमारे साथ चलो बेबी, हम ना पहले आपको कभी देखा नहीं है, इतना सुंदर दिखता है बेबी। और कौन सा स्कूल में जाता है बेबी?
मैं क्यों बताऊंगी आपको ये सब? लिफ्ट को रोको अभी, मुझे नहीं जाना आपके साथ।
अरे गुस्सा काहे करते बेबी, हम तो यूं ही पूछ रहे थे। अरे वाह 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 वाह, बेबी का रिबन तो देखो। अरे बैठ, इतना सुंदर है। अरे बैठ।
बेबी नहीं हूँ, लिफ्ट को रोको अभी।
अरे आ गए ना 10 माला बेबी। अरे सिक्योरिटी का बजा रहे हो? अरे ये तो सिक्योरिटी बजा रहे, मुसीबत में डाल देंगे।
Danger! Stranger, danger!
Dr. Cuckoo!
Hi kids! Good use of the whistle, Sonia.
What happened, Sonia?
अरे बैठ। तुमको कोनो काम धंधा नहीं का भाई कुकू है? आ गए फिर से हमारे काम में टांग अड़ाने के लिए।
Stop testing the kids. Froggy! I have answered all their questions and they have understood. You lose. Yeah, keep mocking me. Yeah!
अरे बैठ।
You lose! You lose!
बाहर मत यार कुकू।
I win, I win, I win, I win, I win. Okay, the clown is back on the cover of the book and the pages are filled with information. I win, you lose, Froggy.
अरे बैठ, दोबारा ऐसी गलती नहीं करेंगे कुकू। हाँ,
Promise?
मम्मी से।
Bye, kids.
Thank you for helping us, Dr. Cuckoo.
Thank you, Dr. Cuckoo. Nikhil, who are you saying thank you to? No one. And what are you kids doing outside school?
Detention.
What? Didi, he's a very strange man. Oi, Bhaiya, why ruko? What happened? Didi, he was asking me all personal questions. He was touching my hair and he even left Nikhil on the 8th floor.
I'm sorry.
You kids just wait, I'll deal with you later. And especially you. Oi, क्या प्रॉब्लम है तुम्हारा?
बेबी हम तो खाली बेबी को 10 माला लेके जा रहे थे बस। हम आते अभी पानी।
नीचे आ जा। क्या उल्टा सीधा सवाल कर रहे हो उनसे?
हम तो कोनो उल्टा सीधा सवाल किया ही नहीं मैडम, हम तो बेबी को पहली बार देखे करके हम बेबी को पूछे बेबी इधर से आया
इस लाइन, तुम्हें क्या मतलब है इन सब चीजों से? जाओ, माफी मांगो, सॉरी बोलो अभी।
सॉरी बेबी, गलती हो गया बेबी।
बहुत सॉरी।
भागो अभी करते।
हम सारे बच्चों को बचाएंगे।
मम्मी को भी बोलेंगे।
Thank you, Didi, for rescuing me. It's okay, don't cry. I won't trouble you anymore. Vivi, I was waiting for you outside your class. How did you get home on your own? You know it's not safe now.
Sorry, Didi. But we want to find Molly. First we thought you killed her.
What?
But then we heard her howling last night. But we don't know where she is.
Why would I kill Molly? I love Molly.
Oh, so you're not a psycho killer? Where is Molly?
Well, I tell you, she's up on the terrace with her puppies.
What?
Yes, puppies. Where are her bags?
Molly has had 5 puppies and all have 4 legs and a tail. And listen, she is not a psycho killer, okay?
Okay.
Hey, you're like a proud puppy ka papa.
Thank you, Didi. I love you.
Chill, little bro. I love you too.
I wonder if puppies will go through puberty like us.
Isha, everyone has to grow up. You know, puberty and stuff, it's normal. You know, when I was 9, going on 10, just
like you and you and you and you and you and all of you. Am I normal? On this I would often dwell. Where do I fit in? Am I too fat? Or too thin? Too tall? Or too short? Do boys think of me as cute? Oh,
Wow.
but as the seasons went by, I stopped caring about the why.
Dr. Cuckoo.
Daddy! God was it? It's all supposed to feel so new.
Oh, it's wonderful, wonderful to be just you.
And tell him that we are okay. He must be worried, na?
Oh, don't worry, Sherry. I told him. और ये कौन है? नया जोकरिया रैम्बो सर्कस से उठा लाए क्या इसे?
No, Daddy. He's Dr. Cuckoo the Clown from the Growing Up book. Daddy, we are very sorry for running away from school like that, huh? But how did you find us?
I was outside your detention room with Divan sister. मुई लिफ्ट खराब थी तो पूरे 10 माला चढ़ के आना पड़ा मुझे. हाँ. But it's wonderful, wonderful. You have found you.
Hey, look! Birds flying in the sky, critters on the tree, rainbows after rain.
It's all over.
Big, small, tall, short, curvy, flat.
You are different. You are unique. You are you. 'Cause it's normal to be different. If you're happy, you're exciting. It's all supposed to feel so new. Oh, it's wonderful, wonderful to be just you.
Have a box outside if you would like to leave your contact information for us. If you want your kids to attend our growing up workshops, please leave your contact information. And now let me have the honor of introducing my fabulous, fabulous cast and crew. So we have Karan Desai as Dadi. Anshul, Shruti, amazing music composition by Rohit Das. By Varun. He's somewhere up there. From the darkness into the light. By Sanjay Pawar. Our choreographer, and Ruchi Mehta, our costume designer. They're busy at other workshops. With a big thank you. Young and lively assistant director and poster designer Malika. She's somewhere taking pictures. Shashank Vishnudar, our co-writer, who's gone underground, will only emerge after he sees a good response to the play. And absolutely fabulous, the petite but a live wire of a writer and director, Trishla Patel. Details. Trishna, please. Take care for Trishna.
अच्छा हो गया
चलो रोल है सर। हमने देखा बहुत ही अच्छा एक्ट था, तो हम सुने कि आपने प्रोड्यूस किया है
नहीं, मैंने प्रोड्यूस नहीं किया है। ये अंजू ने प्रोड्यूस किया है और त्रिशाला ने लिखा और डायरेक्ट किया है। और वो बोलते हैं कुछ प्रोजेक्ट हाथ से निकल जाते हैं, वैसा हो गया कि हाथ से निकल गया। इतना अच्छा आज मैंने देखा, इतना अच्छा है। आई वुड लव टू प्रोड्यूस इट, बट दे आर द क्रिएटर्स एंड दे हैव डन अ फैबुलस जॉब।
मैडम, ये कैसे ये थॉट आया आपके दिमाग में कि ये ग्रोइंग अप इस तरह का थॉट एक्ट प्ले करना है, और इतनी बहुत ही अच्छा ये कॉन्सेप्ट था?
एक्चुअली मैं सेक्स एजुकेटर हूँ और मैं बच्चों के साथ काम करती हूँ. आई डू वर्कशॉप्स फॉर देम ऑन प्यूबर्टी एंड ग्रोइंग अप. सो द थॉट वाज कि वर्कशॉप्स में मैं सिर्फ थोड़े बच्चों को रीच आउट कर पाती हूँ. सो थ्रू अ प्ले आई होप टू रीच अ लॉट मेनी पीपल टुगेदर. सो उसलिए इसको एक प्ले में कन्वर्ट किया गया.
आई लव्ड इट. मुझे लगा कि बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव और एक ऐसे तरीके में जो बच्चे सुनना चाहें और उनको अजीब न लगे, इस तरीके से इन्होंने इस बॉम्ब ने इसे किया है. और मुझे बड़ा खुशी है कि कम से कम ये बातचीत मैं अपने बेटे से कर पाऊंगा जो शायद मेरे पिताजी मेरे से करने लगे झिझकते थे और हमें जानवरों से और दोस्तों से सीखना पड़ा. तो मुझे लगता है कि इनके लिए जो ग्रोइंग अप है ये ये और आसान हो जाएगा. एंड ग्रेट जॉब.
How important is it as a father, if I would ask you to share such information with your kids?
मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही ओपन होना बहुत जरूरी है. सिर्फ उनके ज्ञान के लिए नहीं, उनकी जानकारी नहीं, बल्कि उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए भी. ये जो टच होता है या जिस तरीके से आजकल हम देख रहे हैं ज्यादातर जो इनके बच्चों के साथ जो अन्याय होने लगा है हर किस्म में, ये सब के बारे में अगर जानकारी पहले से रहे तो ये अपने आप को सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं. मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जरूरी है.
Okay. And any further to it? क्योंकि जैसे होता है कुछ फिल्म जैसे हिट हो जाती है उसका
सीक्वल होता है. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. ये प्ले ट्वीन्स के लिए है, सो 9 to 12 year olds के लिए. सो वी आर होपिंग टू कम आउट सून समथिंग फॉर टीनेजर्स एंड देन होपफुली समथिंग फॉर अडल्ट्स, बिकॉज अडल्ट्स को इस देश में सेक्स एजुकेशन की बहुत जरूरत है.
Come here.
What would you like me to say?
What response you've got from Madhavan and Raju?
No, it's the respect they've given this play. It means a lot, which means more parents will come with their children, which means more people will speak about it, which means there might be less crime against children also, and which means it's easier for everyone to talk to each other. It solves a lot of problems. That was the aim of the play. Thank you.
Thank you. There is going to be a proper platform for that. And not good without me and Kangana together. We're going to actually do it. Thanks. Please let me know once.